Welcome back to our channel with another new tutorial. In this video we are looking how to use WhatsApp stickers. Before we get started, make sure to like the video, subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. Expressing your emotions on chat apps was earlier limited to emojis. Now, you can send stickers. Fortunately, WhatsApp supports both animated and image stickers in chats. Step number 1. Open WhatsApp on your smartphone or web. Step number 2. Select the contact to whom you want to send the sticker. Step 3. Now, tap on the smiley located at the left of the text box. Step 4. Select the sticker icon. Step number 5. Tap on the sticker to send. Thank you for watching the video.